SQLAlchemy order by descending. How can I use order by descending in a SQLAlchemy query like the following? This query works, but returns them in ascending order. If I try, then I get name error column global name DESC is not defined.
Just as an FYI, you can also specify those things as column attributes. For instance, I might have done. This is handy since it avoids an import, and you can use it on other places such as in a relation definition, etc. For more information, you can refer this SQLAlchemy 1.4 documentation.
Usage from at JPMC 26.
One other thing you might do is, this will result in order by name DESC. The disadvantage here is the explicit column name used in order by.
You can use .desc function in your query just like this. This will order by amount in descending order or. Use of DESC function of SQLAlchemy. For official docs, please use the link or check below snippet. SQLAlchemy.SQL.expression.desc column produce a descending order by clause element. For example, will produce SQL as. The DESC function is a standalone version of the column element.desc method available on all SQL expressions, for example. Parameters column, a column element, for example scale a SQL expression, with which to apply the DESC operation. C also ask nulls first nulls last select order _by.
You can try .order _by cleontotal.id.desc.
If you want to support the channel,